So this is just a quick video of a few tips for installing these Prothane nice stiff bushings and control arms. A lot of them are going to be similar. This is on a SVT Focus. It'll be the same for like 2000, 2007 Focuses. I'm just going to put a few pictures of the process and some tips, hopefully help somebody out, because this in particular I struggle with on the first one. But after burning the bushing out, getting that sleeve out was a pain. And I painted them because made in China, and the welds already had like little surface rust, and rust is what caused my last control arm to fail. It rusted from the inside out, and very thankful the good Lord took care of me, and it broke in a parking lot. So hope the tips help somebody out.